Hi friend, how are you? I think every people have go very good, and I share you how to use X spread trading system. How to use that? Okay. First you go indicator section, go indicator, and all indicator you copy and go your MT4 MQL4 and go indicator. Before already have my computer and indicator, so you can replace. I already have. So next you go template file, template. After that you go your template folder. Before already have, so you can I can replace. So you can go navigator section and refresh you refresh all, and you risk management mode 2, already 2 template, risk mode 1, risk mode 2, 2 template you can use at a time. Okay, this is my trading system. This is my real account. Already I get more profit. This is my real account. Real account. After that you go your template, risk 1 or risk 2 mode template. You can trade every time frame, 1 minute to 1 month time frame. You 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, every time frame you can use. Okay. When you buy and sell, I show you. Okay, when you see when you see this one, like this bar extend bar, this one red, you can only sell 10, you can only sell 10, you can only sell 10. Okay. When you see white, when you see white like this, white or white, when you see white, you can buy that, buy entry. Okay. Buy. Okay. When you see white, you can only buy put. All sell ignore, you this sell cannot, only buy. Okay. You can every time frame use, you see right now I already profit. You can see my today 20 already profit. I show you 1 minute, only 1 minute you can trade, 1 minute. Okay, this one profit, okay. So it's very easy and understanding, and if you want you more indicator and free, I give you. You can comment, and I hope you understand and download and enjoy. I give you more indicator, more robot free. This one free. I hope you you can subscribe my channel and continue watching my channel. Thank you.